Hello, this is Lori Winslow from LoriWinslowOnline.com. Been some talk about how to speed up your listing process on Etsy. So one of the things that you can do is right here under this settings, click here, and you can copy the listing. So if you have something that's similar, it already saves the categories for you. So if I'm going to print another Christmas theme or list another Christmas themed item, then I would choose this one and copy this listing. If I'm doing something that's here as a physical product, I would copy the listing. So you just hit copy and it brings up everything. So then you just go through and delete all of the previous pictures and the previous video. And all of your category stuff is all saved here for you. You can just change out the specifics. To me, this makes the listing process a whole lot quicker. So I hope this helps you to get your listings up faster as well. Tell them I don't want this. Cancel.